Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are installing a 360 lace frontal wig from April Lace Wigs. All details are going to be down below. So I'm going to be installing it on my good sis Sheila. Thank you so much for being in this video. So yeah, it's gonna be a video that is highly concentrated on the back of the 360 lace frontal. I've done 360 lace frontal installations on my channel before, however I feel like I haven't really like focused on the back. I just want to say, like, you guys are learning with me as I'm going, so this is probably like the third or fourth time I've installed a 360 lace frontal. So before I started doing what I'm doing now, I did the bold cap method in the front and the back. I feel like it's necessary because you really want to cover the back of the lace frontal, not the hair, because you don't want hair poking through, like, it's a no. I also removed the elastic band that comes at the back of the lace frontal. Guys, take your time, use an eyebrow razor and unpick each stitching one at a time. That's how you're going to get a flat install at the back. Besides that, it's pretty much the same as how you'd install the front of your lace frontal. So the two tips that I have is remove the elastic band that comes at the back of the 360 lace frontal, and yeah, bleach your knots, pluck it. I do feel like I could have plucked it some more, but to be honest, I'm really happy with the end results. I'm not really going to talk too much because I feel like this is defo a visual thing. I used Ghost Bond glue, and yeah, so the spray that I'm using is just some foundation spray that I got from Primark, really cheap, to tint the back of the lace. Guys, look at it, like, so good. This is a medium wig cap. Yeah, I got a medium wig cap. It was like exactly the right size. If her head was any bigger, it was not gonna fit. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch me do my thing. I really tried. Like, I'm still learning and still growing, so yeah, I just recorded it for you guys to see. Alright guys, let me just say this, yeah, this video is defo about the back. I had a bit of technical difficulty, so I was unable to record the front of it, and I know you guys can see the change in quality. I had to record on my phone because my camera battery died, but guys, I was committed to getting this video out, okay? So the front installation is nothing that you haven't seen before. I'm going to tag a video that I've done of a front installation. Guys, it's not a thing. So I installed the back first and then I did the back because I installed the back and then I did the front because I really wanted it to dry before I cut the lace off. Like, I wanted it mad secure. And then I used an eyebrow razor to cut the excess lace at the back. Yeah, like, it's pretty self-explanatory. I really like the technique that I used in this video because I feel like it came out, this is the cleanest one that I've done, and I'm so happy with the results. So here you can see me, I use the bedhead spray as well. Like, I like to use the bedhead spray as with the Ghost Bond glue. I feel like both of them together, sorry, but who can actually chat to me? But yeah, guys, look at the lace coming off, and guys, look at the back of the front. Oh, like, are you freaking crazy? Like, I cannot, like, I actually cannot. I know you're seeing the hair looking a bit stiff, but guys, don't worry, I'm gonna sort it out. So yeah, I'm just making sure that the back is like fully intact, and then I'm taking out baby hairs. Guys, you definitely need baby hairs at the back to like disguise the lace a bit. Like, yeah, baby hairs and a hot comb at the back of your 360 lace frontal is really gonna make the difference. Like, guys, look at how good that looks. I used foam to just make the hair softer. Like, guys, the texture of this hair is amazing. This is the softest kinky curly hair that I've ever received. Like, it's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Like, I'm so jealous. Like, I wish I kept this wig for myself. It's so good. Like, the quality of the hair is defo one of the highest that I've used. And guys, you know I use a lot of hair. So in the middle you can see there's tracks. I decided to actually tie the middle of the lace frontal first, just to get a really flat base, so then when I put the perimeter up, it'll be really flat, but you'll see that anyways. Guys, you really want to take your time when you're putting the perimeter of the hair into a bun. Yeah, like, you just really want to take your time, because this is where it's make or break. Like, you want it as flat as possible. So I sprayed it with water, I put some mousse. So here I'm just clipping it into place, and I'm hot combing the back of the frontal, just for an extra flawless flat. Like, I'm getting the hair as flat as possible. Bear in mind, this hair is kinky curly, so it has texture to it. So I feel like I'm definitely doing more than if the hair was straight. To be honest, I've never done a straight 360 lace frontal. I feel like 360s look the best with curly hair. It's more realistic to me in general. Yeah, so I'm just hot combing all of the perimeter of the hair. Like, guys, how gorgeous it looks. Like, I'm shook. Ugh! The lace was nice and thin. It came not transparent. It came like a little bit yellow. I don't know, it was quite a light brown color. It was great. I didn't have to tin it too much. Yeah, like, guys, I'm really happy with this hair and the way it came out, but I'm gonna show you all that at the end. But guys, look at how cute. I wish I tied it a little bit higher, but nonetheless, you get the vibe. You know the vibe. So yeah, I did put mousse all around the hair just to really define the curls and make it even more flatter. Why do I look so angry? Guys, ignore my face. But yeah, look at me, guys. I really tried my hardest. I wanted you guys to see the back, like, because I know people do complain, like, I can't see the back. You guys gonna see the back today, okay? So yeah, I tied it into a cute little bun. Like, I wasn't trying to do too much. And these are the final results, guys. I'm so sorry about the angle. Like, it was just hard. Like, so many things happened that day. But you guys are seeing the back of the frontal. I'm really happy with how it came out. Like, guys, I'm so happy. I feel like this is the best 360 that I've done so far. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys comment if you have any questions, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.